na job where you go fit get at your lowest. You understand? If you not get paper, you will fit get am. If you get paper, you will fit get am. If you dey down, you will fit do one. If you I want to talk am. If you know the hear language, you go fit do one. If you dey hear language, you will fit do one. If you old, you will fit do one. If you dey school, you go fit do one till they use and till they assist. If you want shine, you can do it. That's why I dey always pull maths. Like if I want tell person do something, go be like say now only cleaning, you go just tell them, because cleaning is something where everybody can do that need extra finance or looking for something to do. You go fabric, you know fit. Then imagine ni aya je fabric you are cleaner. A cleaner to I go sit down whenever I want to sit down. But you see fabric, I'll just die. But you see, one man's food, another man's poison. You understand? That's why care work I still like and where you know why it be like in a way it be like cleaner. It be like cleaning in uniform. Now so where it still be. You work go here, you take here, you go put them for there, you take this one, you put them for here. What here you hear? You know the quick tire person. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm from Canada.
Okay.
My first time following you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I used to see your stuff. I used to go through. I used to listen to them. I love them. I just try to them. I need the. I don't know if you still have the dress you're talking about.
Which one? The LV?
Yeah, the one you said you used for your birthday or something. You didn't use it.
Yes, I have it. I have it.
I don't know what size you have. You need large.
I have large, extra large, and SS large.
Anyway, can you send it or I don't know?
Okay, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. You are calling me with WhatsApp, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will send it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah.
You understand me, my lovely people? Life does not just begin again at only 40. Life begin at 60. Look, this man, Kentucky. This one I mostly know because I read them somewhere. You know that man where they call Kentucky Chicken, KFC, Kentucky Chicken. Una don't ever read the history. Go read that man history. He was once homeless in America. He no get home. He no get job for some time. He no fit pay. They kick him out. He stay for streets. He stay for people house. He there for day night of fang. Night of fang in English. Like a place you can only spend night. Daytime you go, they waka, they go. Nighttime you will come and sleep. He stayed there for some time. Until when he was 52 years old. That was when he got a break. And how he get that break? Wheelbarrow. Something like something where you dey wheel, they go. Okay? Hello? Okay, the name of your speaker. Hello? Okay, Oma. Okay. He say Egenaya yore we anytime when you take wake up, na every morning. That's why they tell you say so far make you shelter. Thank you. What this English word? Shelter. Yes. So far make you not sick. If you are not sick at the age of 50, trust me, guys, you can do a lot. Last year, my husband was 50 years old. Okay? 2020. Something wonderful he did for himself. He did for us all when we never even come here. But he was 50. Who told you that when you are now 40, 45, 40, or where you love you, why you love you, you don't finish for what? Are you sick? Only person where they sick. If you they sick, even if you are 2 years, life is not on your side anymore. You don't know. If you are sick, even if you are 18 years, the life is no longer yours because it's not certain. The only thing our pray, if you like, you no make am. Pray make you no sick, you go make am. This man, Kentucky, where they talk just now, no na type am, no na read if I lie. 52 years or 54 years. Now he take get wheel. Something where the road they go, one wheelbarrow way, Suriname people for Amsterdam, they will put guagua. You know, say Suriname people, they cook guagua like us. Yes, so they will use cow belly, guagua, blood, every it go just be guagua with shaki. They will put them for that thing, here that time for Amsterdam. Do you understand? That thing so, now they show for that picture, say that man they start chicken business. He come the fried chicken. Sophie they sell for close to one school. He go fry the chicken, you go put for there. People go come follow and buy with very low local way. Before you know the spicy way they do, and people love it. Before you know, now so it takes start. Before you know, until today, that man don't die, but that his name he blow, but he blow at the age of either 52 or 54 years. If you give up before 50 years, you are done. Don't give up. As far as you are not sick, don't ever give up. I don't use my story to tell you now. Time without number. 5 years ago, me myself, so I was homeless. 5 years ago, I was homeless, starting from nowhere. But do you know what I did? I never let age be my barrier. That means 5 years ago, my husband was 45 years. He was homeless. But today, he's a house owner. Why are you looking at your 45? Do you know how many people who are just 60 years today, 5 years time, they will still make it more than you that have all the years by your side? It's a mindset. The moment your mind did not let it go like, my own is finished. I beg girl, me I just they do for my children. That's one thing I usually tell single mothers. Don't do it. As you love your children, rich. Don't throw your happiness away for your children. Don't just give it, because your children will grow up and have their life. Assuming when they don't grow, you can't try to direct them the way you felt to be director manager. They not gonna hear you. You will not start crying. I live my life for you. I live all my life for you. And your daughter is like, Mom, please, this is my life. And you will say, what? So you have your life? My life? I never make my hair because of you. I was never having fun because he go say, that is your choice. You choose to live like that, not because of me. After I never beg you to give birth to me. What do you go do? You go cry blood. That's one thing I always tell single mom. As you are taking good care of your children, take good care of yourself along the line. Your children don't go feel grow, can give you your phone back. They can't. Even if they want to give you your phone back and say, Mom, come on, have money. Let me sponsor you. Come and go to Switzerland. Go and look at eyes. You yourself, you go say, my daughter beg, not be me. Oh, now I want to go put eyes for my leg. No, I don't want it. It's now. You see single mother, they go, they busy. My children. They don't want to redate. They don't want to reform. You must not date to marry. You must date to reform yourself. Date to have fun. Date to lose yourself. Date to be happy. No, they will just cocoa their children. My children. Everything when you they see now with your mate, you go they buy finger. Now they make some single mom. You get one single mom one time, one follow me buy something. Okay? He say he see something for one of his friend hand. He ask his friend, say, na me sell am for her. He say he come tell am say he akweti jeva, where ya jeva anyway, you get husband. No be me, only me one where they take care of children, they go. Now that one tell am say yeah. But you they work. Not be ask my money, I take go follow Monica buy something. And beside my sister, see how much will it be. When the woman come to me, say, my sister, do you know from distance? I just they look the thing wait. When give manager now, we no go figure all this one because not let me want they take care of my children, they go, not let me want they take. You know, one they make it buffer, no they finish. You don't already tell yourself. The woman, when they come tell you the price, you not come surprise. Single mom, please have confidence of yourself. No, nothing. Say you. Do you know some of where they husbands, apart from husband, pay bills, they do the necessary thing. You don't see their money like that sometimes. You will just be happy. They know they ask you. Won't say, Monica, where your waist trade and money? Murena baga then okay. You with them more. Oh my God. Murena baga now that type you now be difference of husband. You might know you might get husband when no they ask you say how your man get money no consigner. But some people feel still they do everything share. But person get husband single mom please. It no mean say they better pass you. I don't see many people where their husband where they say they tia working single mother nia. They tia working single mother nia. Me wa woman. They tia working single mother nia. Because you understand? You will date the single motherhood instead of you to make good use of it. Shine your shine. You will be there doing like now let me one for head, now let me one for leg. Now lie. Government day, but the way you take carry your own kuku. Now make I come kuku for you. You no want losing up, make the thing go smooth. You no want a date, make you leave your children alone. You are free. When a baby can wear, woman will never do something for a very long time. You go come put and say, now these children they concun you. Mommy cannot be a bigger, mommy cannot fear con. Money. If you even be single mother, do you know? Single mother children are so responsible and very understanding. If only you really they draw them like that. Me I get no I be mama single. I be single mother see ya when you get money ya. And then I fi kuli viere we go single mother. Can't get what that one zebo. Ina vie palare. Now me get them. I know many of them. We really they responsible. Draw their children like their friend and their advisor. They feel put their children that I know one of my lady here. If you want go have fun, go call your daughter. That daughter never reached 18 years that time. Go say, you want go see a friend. Please, I want you, may you deal with your junior ones. I go come in the evening. I don't want noise, I don't want fight. Anything where anybody do, write them down. If I come, I go discipline everybody accordingly. The children will say, okay, mom, we will make sure that we don't have problem. He said the boy, they always give problem. But the moment the boy say, please, your mom wants to go to see a friend. He said, the boy go say, mom, go. I will make sure that I don't make problem before you come because I really want you to have fun. If you explain to your children, single mom, they understand mom. These people have never seen papa before, so they know that they have to be there for you. You have to be there for them. Now, single mom, you go see, if mama go park motor, you go they bring something come from back. You go see all the children. Everybody will be there carrying one thing. Come see children where their papa dey. The moment you park motor, here was Odowa. They know say papa and mama will always go to back. Silo ade. But single mom children, they see their mother from distance, they will walk to mother and go take one thing because they know this is their life. They live to assist and support each other. Single mom, why do you want to say life is finished because you are 45 years? Why do you want to say you can no longer become what you want to become? There is one big sister of me inside this social media. In Netherlands, she closed her shop. Something happened. She never gave up. She took her time. I think it took her another 3 years to re-strategize. She re-strategized herself. You know when you first get business, you finish. You know how it be. I don't know for years, Sha, but for Holland, we all know how that kind of thing they be. They rough, you go come raw because they will say, you honor, go bring this one, come, where you put this one, where you hide this one, go bring, you go bring everything here, yeah, nowhere. You go there, wish God. Which kind of rubbish be this? The woman is strategized herself. She moved to UK here. After working 8 months in the UK, before you know, she opened her business again because that is her love. That is what she loves to do. She reopened again. She starts selling from small shop. Before you know today, a shop, if I talk the city, one of the biggest people where they even they say, ah, Nigeria woman, just come here, come take over with everything. Do you know how old is she? Do you know how old is she? She's close to 55 years. And if you see her, when she go wear legging and top with better shoe wey go dey in leg, you no go believe. And again, where I want to tell you now, life begins at 60, not 40 anymore. Leave 40, 40. I age you where? At the age of 40, people will be giving you 23 years. People will be giving you are 35. People gonna give you 32. Nobody go ever say you are this. Do you know in this abroad, they know they call join your age. People they reduce. Instead of make they see you, somebody like me, I never see one person one day wey don't fit get my age, except say either you be my family or you are a snitch. Say all these social media people where really just they look somebody where they shook something for person body. I never see person one day where don't fit get my either they cut put or they'll just remove 0 raised to 17. Now they'll just remove it. I'm happy. I'm happy about it. They make me know say man, I package where. You understand? If they make me know say I they try. Now they make person cannot get my age. Except you do long throat, go they ask family member, which even family member, my own senior sister where they Scotland, he ain't tied down. Oh wait, me mother starting where yati me senior sister, call you my but then every man we are in and we may pump me here. When me yare na nana me getting my mama you my time me must say because it's here. You understand? Joke apart, my lovely, wonderful people. Your life don't begin at 40 again. Your life begins as far as you have life. As far as you are not sick. That is why you go see one thing with me. I remind you on this one. You know the thinker. All this house to house cleaning where I do. I like them all. I know the shape because I learn many things from there. That's why I know they ever tell person say, your husband too rich, no work. When in a learning even winner. Do you know the experience you will get from work? Do you know what you will see with your colleague? Do you know what you will hear from them? Do you know their family story they will tell you? You just say now only black, now they talk family problem. Go to a working field and go see Oibo. Go come gist you. How it see boyfriend, how it fuck up, how it do the who can't see gist. If you sabi listening, they go gist you that. You know one thing with Oibo, when really tell yourself, say, I will enjoy my life for a very long time. I don't want to get sick. Do you know what they do? They will always exercise. And they don't just do exercise and rest. So, the shoe where they their leg, my people, I'm a living witness of it. Long time ago, I used to buy Van Haren shoe. So far, you know all those Van Haren, I don't know, Netherlands people, now Belgium people, Germany people, they might know this shop, but I've not seen it in UK. UK cannot have such shop because a competition shop in UK is on high level, too much. You understand? So, Van Haren, na shop where be say, you see this shoe, now guess. If guests do this type of shoe, okay, Van Haren go do their own type. If guess so this one na 99 euro, Van Haren go do their own 39 euro or 29 euro. It go just still go for leg, you go wear am. But here ka bottle and the way this one go take big, that one no go be for inside. Do you? I dey tell una this thing, just get wetin I want try to tell you. But that time, if I wear some kind shoe before year to year, leg don't they pay me, either the small pin they pay me, or the big inye they pay me. I call they do like this, they do open inside and all those type of things, or the back of your leg go they pay you. And that is one thing with Oyibo. Now Oyibo tell me, say, my dear, no. If you can afford it, you are investing in insurance for your long life. He said, because what you stand on, you work on it every day. He said it's part of health. It goes through all your body. And do you know, if should they pay you for leg, it go be like all your body. It go be like say waist pain they do you. Where team with your bone leg, now they pay you. You can they do like this. They do like this. It go be like all your body, they hit, they do you. He said, but if you wear comfort shoe, that's why you see shoe wear all these air hostess when no they ever pull their shoe. You are your where you wear. Jesus. It go make fear. You will say, no wonder these people go wear cover shoe. Where I want that. How they think they wear cover shoe? 6 hours to Nigeria, 6 hours back. Inside airport, koi. You know they pay them. Do you know why? That shoe is life. It's life. So, my lovely people, these are small things you do for to turn your 40 life begin at 60. You go don't reach 60 before you say, make I can't stay slow down small, me I can't they do boyo thing. If you start on the do boyo thing at the age of 40, my sister, no try am. You are giving up on yourself. At the age of 60, then you go even say, no problem. Okay, Baba my beard, no put color. At the age of 40, Baba your beard, put color if you wish to. The way you see yourself, that is the way you will feel. And that is the way your body will be telling you. Some days, if I tell myself I tire, do you know I know they feel do anything? Don't be say I tire, I just tell myself, say, I want to extra relax. From that extra relax, you can't be like, say something they even really worry me safe. You understand? Please. Now, so where they be, now mindset. You wake up in the morning and you do like this, tell yourself, today I'm tired, I'm just going to be lazy. How they be? Sometimes at the end of the day when you no work, now they go buy food shop because you no go see strength in the kitchen because you call that day lazy day. The way you perceive something, the thing you give to it, that is how it will become. If my husband really, now where he reach 15, but they say I'm a dion. Now lie because he knows say they feel a dion. That's why they say, hey, Mona call me a dion. Because he knows say he know they do a dion one thing no near. A dion one thing no near. He just want to say, oh, for Africa, by now, people will be my age, may they be a dion. If they miss that a dion name, but he body no green bring a dion. My people, one, you want to feel your 40 or 60? Wear good shoes. If they help. Wear good shoes. If they help. Good shoes make your stick of leg they strong. You no go come old at 60. go come be like say everywhere. Bad shoes, continuous bad shoe where they carry your leg go back, shoe where they make you be like agada, shoe where they make shoe where no they give you comfort. You are damaging your health. When you get to that 60, you'll just be like, oh yeah, I don't want you were grieving already. Please, again, you want to turn your 40 to look like 60? Say now when you reach 60, people say, be like say this woman, yeah, give up your hand. If you there 40, they're going to look you over your hand. If you there 50, they're going to look you. If you do all this thing, I'm telling you. You see your teeth. Please brush it. Not with that kind of Nigeria bro where just strong. It will spoil your teeth. Brush with normal medium, the one where they call mint. But make sure you brush every day. If you like, you get brown teeth. Always brush. When you get to 60, the way you will enjoy it. But you don't reach 40 now, they tell you say life don't finish. You walk back on. Hello. Hello, my lady. Oh yes, sir. Come on, my real life. Oh. Okay, what Demi on my ya finish. I call you back. Okay. You understand me, so, my lady? Brush your teeth. If you use 40 years, tell yourself, say, I beg you. I beg you. I get boyfriend. I want to kiss someone. I want to kiss somebody. You don't need to have someone to kiss to take care of your teeth. Your nails. Take care of it. I'm not saying fist finger. If it's a wish, if you like, look at me. If I even fist finger, I go use to take shop on because let me do my normal bogui work. You understand? But I paint and once in a while where I will still get time. But if you are a nails lover, take care of your nails. Because if you know they take care of her now because you don't reach 60, 40 years. Okay, you can't even manage reach 50 years. They say no, no, they shine. Say 50 years, no, they achieve something. I can tell you, I know a lot of women and men since we are telling this UK that is about 50 that still bought a house. I know a lot with so many systems where I tell them, I say, I go play to now where somebody play come. She's 54, a woman, and she's a single mom, and she bought her house in this UK. So she make audio to tell us how she make it possible. You know, one day I did Instagram, we were talking about Osusu mortgage and saving of money. A lot of us were against Osusu on that day. She listened to it and she play audio come and narrate her all day. That Monica, I don't think Osusu should be totally cancelled. This is my experience and this is it. And it was fantastic. Okay? I will not say it here. I would like to play it. I don't know which day or the day we will do from both sides. We will do one. Tomorrow is Wednesday, be not today be Wednesday. You understand me? So we will play our audio for everybody to learn, especially when you know you are struggling with savings. Come and hear it. Nobody is above learning. Now only this social media, let me they see people when not even rich, they not get what they teach you. They go say they not they learn. They not they learn. If they see you where can learn, put one or two things to get that. They go say fake life, fake life, fake life. Live a fake life. Me what's your life for what? Why live a fake life? Why live a package life? What is that they call na life? We want know more. See, damn me, who way? Or I life in an ajuk mononya have a agbonoma ba na ya gao. It's not good. Or na the kind life where from one winner to another, everybody is progressing. And now people want to they do waiting somebody like me, waiting me don't live in the back. God forbid. I don't live saga, somebody don't feel call me puto. If you like, cause my mama not today, people, you go even see people comment for you, say, talk new one, nah. All this, old one. My own egg, but I negative. Me, my DNA, the DNA, you. All the hero story, but very soon, it got on to our story. See, Anna, Fioboya, Fiakunya, Fiakunya. It don't turn to our story. If you do talk, Anna, we go do play show more, can start our Fiokodi. Eh? Because I see so many of my lovers, they don't they, oh, I mean, Fioboya, even BBR. Why, when I have a play show, why, I mean, I could $3. Now I thought, Fioboya, Fiakunya, Swato, why any go na mi me fear like that. Fear you there. Oh, why walk here that way? Oh, what the robot done here? Oh, what the why you just is 21 years? Okay, you understand me, my lovely people? I will really love, I would have really loved to know the people who don't live fake life and they don't live packaged life. Which life are you guys living? You understand? Me, I live packaged life. I see a packaged life. I go to work. It might not be because many of you, if work not be no say, when you don't cut the beer, I shall come and clean the blood. Don't worry. But when you are putting on D&G trouser, I shall wear it with you. Don't come and ask me that time, oh, how do you wear? Is this profession? Do we need to go to school to buy the same jeans? No. We only need to make the same color of money to buy the same jeans. Don't ask me. Oh. That is what you guys don't know, the difference of fake life and packaged life. Eh? Packaged life, the people cut the beer or they saw the then you clean the table where they for doing good and fine, and you call yes ma, okay. But by the time it's time to come and buy boba, it's time to come and buy straight cuts, bone straight. It not get level. If you want buy bone straight just now, and they sell them for a little no so clean and come and buy. Single mother come and buy. Married woman come and shine. Nurse come and buy. Daughter wife come and buy. Even big gate, if you feel patronize me, I shall sell for you. Okay? Making the money should not be the problem of where you make your money. So far, I shall walk panoro. Amen, my like. But he like well. I like you as person. But I will tell you, because I like you, I will say, don't do a shawo. You understand? Do another business. Do another thing. Work. Many times, I will not they see 2,000 gather again. This day, cleaning job people, they gather them. Hello?
Hello? My lady,
Eh?
good evening.
Good evening.
I bet you did live video.
Yes, I did Facebook.
No, I sent you some talk.
Okay.
You asked you how much.
Oh yeah, may I finish? Yes.
Okay.
May I finish? May I come back? Okay, guys, I will come and leave you. I get a lot of things to package for tomorrow morning. Not as we dey do. You man package your to tomorrow morning go come. I come quick wake up. Throughout this way, they wake up early. Every man never do time. Yeah, if I do all my work this evening, tomorrow I'll feel sleep. If I wake up bath, I'll go do posting and prefer gather doing. Then if I come back, maybe from 4 o'clock, be like say 4 o'clock is good, so that we'll quit the close. Everybody will go do a thing. You understand? 4 o'clock, I'll bring that woman. What will I call it now? A testimony about how she used Osusu to do something in life. She herself doesn't like Osusu, but the way to use Osusu the best. Okay? And it was very nice when I listened to it. And I'll be itching to play it to you guys. Most especially my lovers who love Osusu. And a really good thing. I feel like this show must fall out again, whether they like it or not. Gosh, Abby, I need that feel like oh my God. Oh, thank thank you. Next topic. Oh, thank you. Please, guys, your life, the new 40s are the 60s, okay? Your life doesn't begin as 40 again, so that you don't rush before you get to 40. Sometimes when you get to 40, you are so mature. You operate in high level. In short, you will even say, oh God, I wish I know. All the big way I felt do in the past. You begin to operate well. In short, when you get to 40, before person they throw away advice, you don't sit down. Because you will now understand that advice pass mortgage. Advice, now, God, if you get better advice for life, your life go over arrange. Me, I know they do juju. Shebuna know. Who love me know. Now only haters talk say they do juju. And haters in any sense. Haters no level. So I came in and enjoy and their word, you know, they can't and put. You understand? Una know me, I know they do juju. I they serve Baba God where they for up. And I know they put anything journal. I know they put candle journal. I know they put olive oil journal. I know they put a calf chip journal. Nothing. The only one where they put journal, wisdom, don't leave me, wisdom. You understand? If you use wisdom to enrich things with Baba God, everything go be like say na juju. Because our people only know magic. So when you arrange your things well, they begin to say juju. May God have mercy on us, because that thing, I'm not sure say Baba God they have people to say he go do something great, and another of his pikin go they give glory to juju. It's very bad. People, so let me end it here. I'm going to YouTube. Please, my lovers, I'm going to YouTube, and I want to go talk a little, very small thing about something on social media. Okay? Very small thing in my own way. I know, say, when I fed the Instagram, one of my lovers say, oh, Mommy Monica, no talking here. Oh, I beg you in the name of God, I can't be tired. That can't see, I don't want to hear for my ear. Please, have I a name? Have I a name? So you will be taking reports from enemy to they look my life. Who the be the name? Have a 3 papa, 2 children, 3 papa. Have a black, green, yellow children. Who be the people? Government do me where people? Me. People where we gather do at your mass, I leave them for back. Don't do. You don't do. Now they want talk something where you want to say, Mommy, nah. Don't do now. Don't do. Everywhere quiet, yo. When I tell them say I'm the leader, I believe. Yeah, well, no. Since never even reach 5 days where I just really like keep my mouth shut. Since on the 10, wait till be today 18, 1 week, where I just like ignore, keep your mouth shut. Yeah, die. Yeah, me topic imure. Yeah, me gbino bian. Yeah, me miokba. They can never be creative on their own. They can't copy. They can't come with their own zara. They must see from leader before they jump. They must take from leader before they talk. They must take from leader before they know their own way. Even if they want also do bad. If they never wait, me leader. Hey. They can Monica Adeba. Monica Adeba dian, me deba dian. Hey. They can Monica Adeba. They can Monica. Mani bunya, me bunore. Where the social media? Fear not let them talk put. You know why? Because I not talk put. You know why? They don't know the side where I want to join. Very simple. I am your leader. Wagegi deny. As you they deny, that's why Baba God go they draw better thing run away from you. Because he say, who I bless shall be a blessing. How can you be collecting from the blessing of God, even when you don't even know my God, and you go still say, Papa, go hold your way soon? You understand? Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Now, so I just talk and reach for my lovers where they always say, "Oh, mommy, no talk." No, in your keke no mo ime. Eti me mo iya. Ime wari exam in here. 1 week exam now give them. They fail. A lot of them I never talk. They do like say they don't talk. You know why? They don't know whether I go join this. They just they wait. If I join the man, they will join the woman. If I join the woman, they will join the man. And I don't know why quickly they forget. Say me, I know they join nobody. Even my enemy. If you fall for trouble, I need to judge your case. I will judge it right. Major will work. I will judge it right. I go still to say, I don't need you. You not be my person, but for this one, oh yeah, you are right. Come on for you. You won't know it. Okay? I will not join this. I will not join this. Because look at me. Oh, hey. I know they take bribe. If I they take bribe for this social media, it's your doubt. But I know they know, say, that's the way they do bad cannot get blessed. I'm blessed. Baba God blessed me. People that they say, "Hey, Monica, you know let me get views." If I like, I spit. I win my honey. If you play my video for Sokoto, I will collect it on your hidden treasure. You play am for Calabar, and me not just do anything today. Just because you help me do all the whole thing, I collect. Then you big go according to any I'm really me. Bonana your boy with any and I enjoy it. Do much do it to make you happy by your head. Now they tell you so. Enjoy your life, eh? Don't tell yourself you are 50 years, you can no longer walk. Will you put on good shoes that is swelling your leg? That shoe when you they wear when they can't do your leg like the way they make you they do like a day. Don't tell you say 50 years don't become a day. Will you go get yourself one good shoe? That's what I'm going to talk. Say, oh, you both go wear one jeans for how many years? One shoe. They get one good one. While you wear you go if your call. While you wear you wear okay, you are a baby. You wear shoe go Sokoto. You go still feed the waka. Know they pay you. Will you go get yourself a good shoe, Mr. Man, Mr. Woman, and go get yourself some job that can help you with one thing or the other? If you are on, as I dey talk and so, go be like say, we fed, you know, say I fed there, I be on a partner before. I fed there that government this thing like this. Some people where they government this thing where me, I still need to go work. If you like, now it be. If you wish to, if you don't wish to, don't go. But find yourself. They always put person for swimming 2 times a week. Get yourself some swimming clothes. Go swim. Not to say yeti swim yeti they go ni same. Ou packet can we mama say swimming. Please, my people. If you don't want swim, our own that time sometimes we they get I want to say everything in English. Voluntary work. They get voluntary work. Sign yourself for it 2 times a week or 1 time a week. They get sewing, whatever. Go 4 hours a day. Ooh, social media no they wrong. Even me will be presenter. If they get full day, I they off my phone, I'll put them for up. Call it. If I still come back, market no they wrong. Go do something. Take your mind off social media for 4 hours a week. You not go die, you not go do you anything. Social media not they wrong. Even the story where you don't pass, people they where they cut where you go to see the update, the highlight. If you not like all those ones, come to Mommy Monica. Carry one video, softly they wash am. Before you cook finish, you go don't know the beginning and the end of that video. Be out your way. Okay, my lovely people, get busy with writing. But if you know, say, you go fit see extra the work, go and look for something doing. Get good shoes. Brush your teeth. These are where sickness and weakness of body they come from. Teeth. When your mouth don't already seke. when you don't get green thing, or you soon because you know they clean and wear. Your tongue, they look old. You begin to look old. Get yourself good paste, brush, change it anytime you see it's weak again. Change it. Add this to €2 for better brush. Means my favorite brush where I love so much before now Oral-B, but I not going to see that particular type. But I can't see the particular type for Lido. They will put on 2 for inside one packet. If you see on your gun, it be like Africa one set. Very nice. If I read the how much they tell the seller, I think €2 for 2, that's €1. I'll just carry 5. Anytime that me can know when I don't say on a way you have a fear for you with your way. See, this is the result. And I'm so proud of it. Get your paste, anyone where you like, where you know, say, get it. It's too nice. I they tell you, my lovely people, if you know if you do your hair, Barbara, go to salon. Let them give you what to spray on it and make it look nice. If you go fit do your hair, plait and go front. Or plait and face your wig. Or put your wig on it anytime you are going out. 3 things now I give you. If you want to turn your 40, make you go see her for 60 years. Now when you do 60 years, you can't feel like say, oh, where I don't they go. Take care of your hair. Take care of your teeth. Take care of your shoes that you wear. They are part of your health. Then the food that you eat. Okay? Men, where they take care of your head, your hair, and your baby. Not gonna be like Abad baby, Emma. Or say no naginare, it di on mida. Because et woge, o igbo no. Igbo nefie benoro. You know one buy kit. Abat, they see kit. I know they do saga with you, but truth of the matter, they see kits of me. All those things where they do you. Umiobo. Oga uwo wa governor of Edo State. Where he rakpakon. Uwo a governor of Edo State. Ave fianwe lalo. Where then you bo yak betu. And the presenter were he in a way you dey carry camera. If I dey Nigeria, person like you, so where you dey Nigeria, you go just they call Baba, they call us. Baba, every 3 days. Because you know, say na saga, you see, because you know, say your business. Now, where they do saga? Because a saga ma go and I when ya. You see, tomorrow, woman when no girls man go call you. The one where girls man go call you. The one where no rich go call you. The one where rich go. So that if you want her today, make a shakara. But as you be, so if you come out now, you want to answer Sigo mother. If you first see your baby well now, you not reach to toss me. You not reach to toss me. And if we really lock and we go say not true. Because man we reach to toss woman, a baby okay soon. When woman see man baby, I go say, I not be green, but this is baby, me I just leave her. But I want me baby, on no way can do I work for law basically. Yeah. Wait for what with this baby, whether you see this song, because not be everything I money they do. Some kind thing baby they speak for me, baby. What they call they just your hair. Salon, what they call that salon where they portrait where dear where? How much? Just 5,000 naira my son they barber for them. But for Nigeria, they say dear where we really dear where. But for you, for we will come for Europe, it's not so much because for David at that time they don't already they barb my son hair with 20 euro. So 5,000 naira it was just like the same thing. I don't care Betinya gi geleri Tony John, sa neva ve last ka check up. O bo kan na doje na ge so much intro. So much shege. Petit shege. Shege shop my money. Shege oh, you shop my money. Tu ya we ne boji. Tu. Igo no bune shege. Mu no menti yoge ya be hotel. Ask am wetin use am do. Tu ya agbe. Di awa gbe yin wa gbe. Yeah, Benny with father. Oh, but the other than me when they to the when the church again they bury go be like say they come out their face. When they don't baba feed they'll come use father, they'll come put them back to the normal shape. My brother, okay, don't answer and no go egon. Ya betu, cause woman betu na wa very oni. I can dig the difference of Obaseki close partner and Obaseki far partner. You hear? Before you come, make sure say baba etu when you problem je. Ave mi ne shiki ni lele ni. Ute we oko na ma we blishi ma ge we there with the peoples. Gualo mimi ati ya gualo ge ne banare beji long time ago have 36 years. Now all those things they do. This time no they do again. Just buy one thing like that. Use until cleaner. They make they shave you. By the time you they shave every week, you will see that thing go. The only thing be say your wife should get ready for BP medicine. Because on your back area where I better to give more say okode. So my people, make I leave you now. Me I leave you now. Cassava. Now their cassava juju they not be only cassava. Plenty things they where Shasha get fathers they put the thing the shintro, because shintro now be those one where they no say make you born put they move. Shasha get fathers now be the one where don't marry get wife for oh yeah be shasha get here. A shintro ni raw. Oh yeah, have the boy. He say I married you. No come marry me. He shop my money. He can't go. He move to another one again. He moved to only a shintro. Have a shintro ni raw. E tu yan mo body ni ji. Here you wait clean do bleach winya. Shintro here do two we wa off here. Go put all those weight lifter. Go put inside big bag drum. You understand? If you reach there in the morning. Any central way not they do like this, now we say, as a central way one make business, he must they do like this every morning. Because when your man, no ye barbarian, no fear very na. Any goja. Where one may wear it that very na. Our guests, you know, go see their one cover. But just get that chest like this. Do some muscle put like this. Bang. Hey, they look there. Now that day you know say iyangi biyen ya na we ni atie e la he wo kiavan. Now that day you know our guests go come see call brother la he, call brother la wan, brother we we de go ye we here ne abo ye we here ya wa de e la gesan, la ghetto, la cassava. Ai poko ave ran Wanna change. There is nothing like they shop my money. You shop my money. Who you go there where? If you are when they get, who you go there? Because if you are when in your one me, I will when it can't raw. Simon, why me be one of that it? Ni me mo bog bet to be. Ni me swan be for that yet too. Why me? Gabat is so covered to my where do I get? Who do I get? Any and I love your book, but you win. Help me with visa. Help me with visa. Yeah, covered to never. Where boy you are which visa you want? America visa, Canada visa, Italy visa. You here to any. Manoka we Tony and that where. You go. Evani ain't as sharp life. Me why was say bad. Abatiga tia me have a girlfriend de so we bonane. Abata Yeroni Sunota. Let's start at 35. Let it roll. You see, how about my brother? Kokatu. Atuni ute mo my dollar you see. When mommy kokobiri master. The husband to us go mother. No, we are set to a very level now. On change. You know only change. There he changed to UK. E2, they do wonder. As a Benin man, you want to do wonder. You want to make it with our juju. You want to make it with our guests. You want our guests to cut their head for you. Very easy. Cut your BS. Pull line. If you like, put some gain line. That they like, you know, see all those one. Wait till they call those people that time, Versace, Oliver, all those one where they put gang. When mommy any, oh, do more, do any ram, we are more, do more, carton, here, ya lie. Area we met it, oh, a tick cool, oh, a tick wako, hey, maybe niggas, here, tick wako, what fits. Oh, we want fitty, but where to, Oliver, to Versace. Jesus Christ. Why one when no we are when it make me very manner. We one when another matter make money and who wear salopane. What do you want tattoo or ba? What are you wearing? He? You just go at you. Ordinary, my sister will not do now you do. It can say me grits. The other one say, hey, you fair no. The party will go that then we fair go then a day for sin. No, na me grit so, na me grit so. I first here for done. Afesia, brale. Ha, salo bua, Jesu no give your back. Jesu laska, check up. Ha, my brother. Men wa ya zigo babo. Wama don't know me monika ni tamu wa. Natural ebo na yamu ide wima. Tu. Abi ye mwenek me. E maton. Wa mwe wa son avant. E maton we wa we ni ama. We ke no so no e ma wi ofuakere. E ma ye kpeke. E ma na ekpi. We ma meke ne. Wa ari e ki ya fe ko de lave singlet. We are the singlet. E doga de local one. What dog like 40 euro. Oga money. Oga Tommy Figa. Ralph Lauren what de honey. One we are so what when you go reach inside your pull on hang on because na market cloth. We another one. But when you want go outside, wear that one. Hold your shirt for hand. Let our guests see your penwe. Ah, Jesus, I don't know where you don't know what they take catch them. And guess see me what they go be a penwe. Omalele we so what with a lie. Don't lie. Don't salakun. Don't. Yes, I love boy. Me watch. Also, wa. Ye mama ye guwe mwekbo. Guwe mwekbo. We are where bossy we Larry. Oh, why you not take flights? So in la last kasheko. Why not they go juju, please? Go they do juju. Natural one. Buy 2 a month. Do it like this, night and day. Make sure come out, come out, and you get here. Buy organic cream. Mix and make it not too bleach you. Let them bring you, because if you just bleach one time, you will be let them bring you come and some more like that. Wear your jeans, no wear and come tie for belly. Let them they see that mozo nyash. The moment they see that mozo nyash, they don't calculate and say 2 inches raised to power 4 in the round circle of 360 degree. The two muzzle where they are nyash. Now they'll tell know the size of what you carry for front. So you must not cover the 2 muzzle at your back. Make sure that you wear the jeans. They are see the 2 muzzle. Okay? They wear singlet, not they wear cloth. If you they wear cloth, long sleeve, you wear more gassy man. Why here more gassy monkey who ye mo bo. Who you pen wear, who get ladan who wear a singlet in journey. Who get name in the name of that singlet, either a day back or a day here. or they center, or they just write and put for the body. Let them get name or any day or one any. You understand? Let them get name. If you get name finish, put one wristwatch. If you like, you get name. If you like, no, just let the wristwatch make back. Let them make butu. Put them for hand. Look for all this ring. As a learner no go the market. Fair put, even if not be gold. Just fair put them like that.
Wait, madam, excuse me, madam, somebody said I should come carry you enter house.
Hello, my darling.
You are preaching about
hey, real life video.
Why you get me, wow?
Even in my no need to know ya so. Eh? Because you were just school ya. There is no way see no professional no see we him. Nya, any ya try to wa. And the egbe wan be chintro na yin de gwa le gbe wan wa because if here a line lie o tell me what ya to gba egbe if here gwa lo.
Excuse me. This system is for single mothers certified one will go your single mother school, right?
They say call about that he not stop their flow. These people or you more reserver. Every video where I do, what they put up for the AD. We must teach our people how to get our guests naturally without you juju. Don't be say do aso juju use me juju no. Getting ya by natural idea why you getting ya ake gbe yo to. Wa pe jukun gera egbe neti be yan na. Ye tattoo up by cross. Egbe na cross wa ye wan. Oye puki. O sanera no kon dudu Jesus Christ. Thought you were by 100. And then one day I'm with my baby. I'm so sorry. I'm disturbing you. I'm just missing you. That's why now. You are missing what you're back. You are missing what. Wow, naturally. Hello. Hello, Mama. Hello, Jay. Jimmy, later for. Although you're the perfume, I'm money no. Or not. I greet you. Bye. Because even the children when we they talk so, if you see the way some boy they build their set to Shentro, you go pity them. Some people don't they build the set to become Shentro 3 years. Egbe emeladian, awe mozove na fike. Thank God when they ran bagage, when they thought they boy ya build the ladian.
Madam, can I contribute please?
Yes, Tafia.
Was this topic about Ekia topic or Shentro topic or what was it actually?
Chentro, how to become natural Chentro without juju.
But today you refused me application. I applied to join your academy. I want to become
because you never
myself.
buy iron. I'll teach you. Maybe you first go buy iron.
In German level, still need iron.
Nah, because you must they put cloth down. As far as Chentro, you want Sheshege or Chentro. Na Chentro I did.
No, okay, Sheshege was the one I was applying for, right?
Sheshege, you must don't born, you will get wife for us.
Okay.
You go they
no,
do
no,
Sheshege.
Now that one.
Sheshege na fathers. Chentro na boys.
Okay. I will join Sheshege. That's very good.
Sheshege that they wear clothes, that they wear agbada. You understand? All this Asonye, Ready Ayahe, Musa one, Nenemi one, Ogbodu one, Agbaka one. We got El Garteke one by one, more no Russian. Now, natural Shentro without juju. You know, say we are not the best for Shentro now. You know why Shentro they always be problem for social media? The guys go say he use juju. Shentro why he use a juju? Not they put juju journal. Use the natural one. Man can, and if we see the way you build your body, if the guy say you use juju, we'll say not lie. Because we know the natural one. But if you can't come man, now you shop person money. Now so you be. You get money. You understand? If you were shop person money, come on, yakan. When they better na bati, any of we come and say, I buy shop my money. Make one job because my we ba bataya shop go we. Abati ikpako, abati igbetu, abati igbeto, ewe jeri koko, abati isegbe ayoto maropa me dewe wa bati de. De to ye gbugbo, o we kofikpo o, o ye keke o. Mama edege de. Until they talk. So Abba cannot be a Shentro. If Abba shop your money, maybe not through another way. Hey, I will not me to only Abba. You understand? Say Abba shop my money. Abba is a Shentro. Abba is not a Shentro. Abba cannot be a Shentro. If he like a you juju, he cannot be a Shentro because juju can never work in without a magbetu. And I can and enough finish oh. Shentro. Do you want to be a Shentro without juju? Because if we see you like it, don't reach it now. Where they say na juju, na lie. I'm not sure. Because don't reach you get all this quality of natural one. We'll come chef one look at. Who like abi emi oga aruwe abi no be so ife bi abi we come know which time come to the Shentro. Was he a Shentro before you carry on, or he was a natural being before you carry on? Or he was all over. You understand?
There is a question here, please.
Yes.
Can I read it out to you?
Read it out.
And that is from sister or brother Patrick Smith too, right? She said, Monica, how come they don't try this with our US and Canadian women?
Good.
I hope you know their system there.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
My sister, now I fair answer that sister today. What they do for Canada, America? No, school. The moment you just speak English, say, hello, yes, can I help you? Shentro said, no, sorry. I was looking for ways. My sister, sorry, oh. I walk belebo, not tell me. Shentro, let me know your belebo. Anyway, yeah, I walk belebo, we are did you make something? Who tell you? Shentro can wake up in the morning, on you, and who will do ya more goosey marry. Anyway, Jay, my sister. That is why they don't do it. If you even see Shentro now, when they say, Monica, help me look for connection. If I say I get America, but where we are going, what those was in the boy and me now. Well, what about Italy girl where you are no devil no boy? Hello. As a junior Shentro. Hello, igbe yan ogo ma me yo ka lo we mu fua. America, why we yes, excuse me, you talking to you go say, oh, sorry, my sister, sorry, mo pe bo do. The take way, didn't get what mo say. Me wa say, what excuse me now, we why excuse you. We don't see less go down. Me gi go lo. Now Shentro people me know where they look shoe size before they put leg. They must size you know say you mumu sumo. If you know mumu, you the read book. Shentro ma shawa not tiebe. I shawa not tiebe where baba you know when on your dog. We are talking with my brother or grandma or telling nowhere. Oh my sister. Where what you when you go door? Yeah, my daughter baby we go. Because yeah, when man it's baby ya lo hog be. I mean I'm my sister, I don't answer you. Shentro, they are allergic to Ashawo where they read book. They don't like them. No read book. If you see many guests where go come and say, Shentro shop my money where Hello, 1 plus 1. Oh, wait, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Wait, faites me avec comme my senior sister. That's all there be. Okay? That's sign. So that's how we're going to judge it. Or before you go see person where you know say this one are A. Shentro can shop and Shentro. It can hard. The people where Shentro they shop Shentro. Now those one where they get 100 by 100. Shentro tell they say now 10 by 100. When you go come they talk, I me 10 by 100. They 10 by 100. I me 10 by 100. Why get 100 by 100? 100 by 100. Now any Shentro in your normal 10 by 100, in your man 10 by 50, in your man 100 by 100, in your man Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, I continue. After you don't do all this one where I talked just now, you must get Armani perfume. Okay? Armani perfume. Buy the pink one, the ogogoro one, the cool one, the flower one, the soap one, the roll-on one. Oh. Shentro when one start Shentro, you know they smell Armani. Yeah, no say get as Armani till they smell. Armani know they smell. Armani, if he touch you, you touch and you carry and they go. Now be the juju way they. When Shentro don't rough handle them like this now, rough handle the liver. And the guy was so what? Oh, where they smell that boy? How they smell that boy? That man. What did they say they call her again? Oh, that man. That man will shake me for party. Oh, man, you no shake me for party Oliver. Man, you no shake me for party Vasa. Oyibo, help me to smell it. I need this perfume. Oyibo go say, which perfume? Go say this perfume. Oyibo say, I can't smell nothing. Go say, now let the girl go to smell the man. So as a learner of Shentro here, you want to do Shentro work, you have to buy Roll-on Armani, Ogogoro Armani, Sweet Armani, Water Armani, Shaver Armani, Armani in all ramifications. Before you come out for us, you carry some, you put for here, you put some for here, you put some inside here. You put them for hand. You go do one like this. You go mend them. You put them for here. You put them for your breast. You put them for your chest. You put them for your ear. Go reach your tongue. You put some. When you don't go like that, if you shake the girl, go. Oh, that boy. I can smell him. When you go, you go say, do you know since I still they smell your smell? Your smell just there everywhere for my house. I know they smell your smell. A boy no. A smell the Shentro mukia. A boy wave no. A gassy wave bujo. That smell. A smell. A smell. And the smell for my body. You smell for my body. Okay? Shentro, if you do all this one, we can't cross-check you say you get a level like this. We don't believe say you use juju. But if you be like Abat, a juju low, juju, now you use. Okay? For you, Nigeria guests, no problem. You see Euro guests, if Abat chop your money, a juju apati low juju. Because a betu, a pakon, a perfume a ma solid, a caveto, a pente, a shine, and a feeling over the room. Oh, what's a live party? Oh, I'm a live video. Which guy one met? Then when you want call, if you be new church girl, you want make your name quickly go far. Huh? Well, I see cool. When the celebrant never even come and you go the Baba Road. As the celebrant they come, make you just be the first oh, because you are my and I give a deg of way. As the celebrant just take the come, where can was saladian? Who was saladian? Who walk here? The musician, who before you do Two bundle finish. Musician don't come. What be your name? What what a man? Ik pepe one. Oswane. Pepe. Willie. Ik pepe. Daddy. Oh, daddy pepe. Oh, avec maman avec nous daddy pepe. Ik pepe ya finish patini. We ma panic pepe fo. We ma rene. As they use you, they sing so pepe. All the guests, the one when not go the party where they are, they'll say, hey, they'll say, who come with the pepe now? Where the pepe? Ijeme, ya mama camera yo. Oje boni no, only way no je jelo no. O we no je jelo no je wati no. I pepe, I oma we ka botan. Yewo, we meji si no jo. Ija, ona wa mo jisi yo ni san. When you say ko e na, the party no jo ni. Era fi no na. Era for me gbono. Yewo, I pepe. Iyan na wo je ki ayan wa manya. We no pa bare. Bi o bre gbeje aya o mi ni won no dare de dan. Pa bare, o si kan win. Obije, we ma like ne. Keni ro wa onye o na o. We camera ya na rewe ne ya ni o. Ya ni ya mo bogba ya ni sika we do. O we de na we o we de na phone no mo ale ni ni o. O we siko no wa ya me ni name no we siko. O we here gay. De dan ya ti e gan. Rapa ye o ma ni egbere. O we to agbe no we da mo we there. We si aye. Eri ya la we. We ma like ne. We wa ke ba pa wa ri we social media kere. Awati an we. We ma pa ne. You don't go now. You don't go. From there your market don't they sell. Go they sell. So my people, I will end it here today. That is how to start young and junior Shentro without juju. But if you not do juju, they say you do juju, we go evaluate you. When we see say your hair is coy, you bleach small, your beard they out of date, your chest it get current, your breast it come out. We can't even smell you. We they smell you from camera. Be say my webo. But you not even na rabate bo my brother. You go ni worry turn eh. Understand? Because I guess man, even if they don't know if they know correction true, if they see Shentro, that they know. If you like, you don't know it, but if you see D&G, no, say na D&G ogbe. A good show why bekun, a better way Gucci. If you just see Gucci now for year, Gucci go say, la wait till be this Gucci. When you have a mini, when you a Gucci, how can I Gucci? Okay, but make you just see Gucci shoe. He not go read that, you know, he go say Gucci na hina. Why not I guessing? No, Gucci no na. Gucci na hin. This one, this one are normal now. This one are Burberry now. Who they wear Burberry children? You go come they wonder. I say, "When take what me? Why you having name? Yeah, why name me? Can the name second no ramen? A mosquito ya so far who are going to a hand here. But why you money like any day any sinner? Yona, Miss Stina hina. Yona, Dimi Diangina hina. Ona, Ekbe Mokalina hina. Eva Kalina hina. Emokasi muna. I don't know how they take the crown by cloth, but they cannot read it. That is their life. The guests, now say just needed their body. You see, the guests very easy. All the guests in the right me because they will not eat being a dinner yam. We not taking a solo. When you like, it pepe yam, we are sweet pepe, what being a sway. All less on that is swing out. You do a solid on your pa mama like you. Who are one me pepe sway. Obije, no way. God bless you. See me on YouTube. We have to go and talk about small or more matter.